Today we are going to show you all how to make pig foot sauce. Right, so the first step is to clean and wash our pig foot. So we have it submerged in water and we're just going to squeeze some lime juice directly into the water. This will help to clean it and most importantly remove that fresh scent. Mix in and rub the lime juice solution directly onto the pig feet. I like to leave the feet in the lime juice solution just to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, just to make sure all of that fresh scent is removed. Once that is done, I'll just strain off, wash it with clean running water, drain off any excess liquid, and we're going straight on the stove to cook our feet until tender. What you could do too, if you have a pressure cooker, to cut down on the cooking time, you could add your feet in your pressure cooker. If not, put in your pot, submerge in water, bring your water to boiling. Once boiling, reduce to a simmer and allow to cook low and slow until your pig feet is nice and tender. So while our pig foot is on the stove behind us cooking, we're gonna start to prep out all the ingredients. So Auntie, you have the cucumbers that you're gonna use the mandolin to slice. I am gonna finely chop our garlic. I'm gonna slice the onions, finely chop the pepper. Just give the Chadon Beni a rough chop. All right, let's go. Now we're using the mandolin to give it that thin consistency for the cucumber. And I know the cucumber is really to help kind of balance off the heat from the pepper. Also add some.
When I reach down to the end here.
So you just slice your finger.
That's right. Well, I can't make no bake.
Most important, you have a favorite sauce?
Yeah, chicken foot.
Chicken foot, why?
I just love those toes.
What?
Get down on those chicken toes, but it's the best sauce. Give me a chicken foot sauce any day.
Why did I think you was gonna say green fig sauce?
I like green fig sauce too, but you asked me which one I like the best. You know, I would eat any sauce. But give me a chicken foot sauce any day.
And then we normally do we do cow heel sauce too?
Yes,
Yeah.
cow heel sauce.
All right, so we're gonna finish cut up here, and then right when the pig foot is ready, we'll show you all on the stove, and then we'll get started combining our sauce. Right, so our pig foot is ready, but just for the sake of y'all, we're gonna show you all exactly how to know when your pig foot is tender and ready to make sauce.
See how that's going through there nice and soft? I'm going to turn it over. I'm sticking it on it. Get over on the next side. The skin cutting through nice and clean, and I'm going to throw it down.
No resistance.
No resistance. Don't melt in your mouth.
We're gonna strain this off and transfer to a bowl, and then we're gonna add fresh water with the rest of our ingredients.
Correct.
All right, so our pig foot is nice and tender. So now it's time to pickle our pig feet. So first, we're going in with enough water to submerge. All right, I'll stop there. So just to make mixing a little easier, you want to go in with the salt and black pepper while I squeeze in the lime. Yeah, don't worry, man. We'll mix it all in. We'll mix them all in good.
Salt and that. We'll add salt to taste after, right? But I know I spent the water, so I'm going brave with the salt.
Yeah. Well, I think that's the biggest thing with this, with sauce. You're making and tasting as you go, right? It's not a set recipe.
Okay.
You want to go in and add the hot pepper, garlic, all the other
Yeah,
stuff in the
and then I'm gonna go with
meantime?
the garlic.
Yeah, man, don't worry. You can touch it. We're not selling it. All right, so while you add, I'll mix.
I'm not worried.
It'll taste better. Oh yeah, Chadon Beni will help to add that freshness, nice aroma to the sauce.
I'm binging on the pepper, but you know.
Well, of course, pepper is really up to your preference. Right, we want to taste the water now.
It just, yeah, it needs salt.
Yeah.
Okay,
We're almost there though.
Yeah, you get any lime.
You get any lime, you get any pepper, you get any Chadon Beni.
I'm going brave. Just need plenty of salt.
Yeah, man.
And maybe a little pepper. I wonder if the bowl big enough, Sean.
I'm telling you. Now what we'll do, when we finish, we'll add some more cucumber, but
Yeah.
I don't want to over add to fill up the bowl too much. All right, so we're going to with a little more salt now.
Half a spoon.
And sauce is supposed to be salty and
Saucy.
limey
Limey
and
and saucy.
spicy. So that's why we add in so much salt. All right, so we're gonna finish up here, and then we could plate up and taste. Right, Auntie? So now is the best part.
Oh, yeah.
Time to taste.
Sure.
Let's go. So we're just going straight in, right? Yes.
Look, man, I don't know which pig to take. Brainy with this piece. Ready?
Yeah, man.
Here you go. Melt in your mouth. Pigfoot. I hope you're getting all the slurps. Nice, huh? Shaun and Gizelle, you pepper.
The bite of the onion. The cucumber cooling down the heat a little bit. Nice and salty. Enough acid. So you all see how easy it is to make this, right? And of course, if you're not into pigfoot, cow heel, green fig, your favorite chicken foot.
Chicken foot.
A lot of options. Options are endless. All right, guys. So be sure to make it. Send us your pictures. Send us your videos. Comment. Let us know how it tastes. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.